Nova Scotia aims to be one of the cleanest and most sustainable environments in the world by 2020. Their disposal rate is 45% lower than the national average. Their goal is to maintain a 50% waste diversion. Their target is waste disposal of no more than 300 kilograms per person per year. They work hard in educating the people about waste dispersion and making sure all regions are involved. The Resource Recovery Fund will spend 50% of their net revenues to waste management regions. Another way they help with waste diversion is implementing disposal bans. This ban includes beverage containers, corrugated cardboard, various electronics. All Nova Scotia residents have access to curbside collections of recyclables. Recycle rate is 68% higher than the national average. They also use financial incentives and disincentives to keep waste out of landfills.
7 regions have been established within the province to manage solid waste. These regions include Region 1, Cape Breton, Region 2, Antigonish, Gaspereau, Pictou, Region 3, East Hants, Cumberland, Colchester, Region 4, HRM, Region 5, Annapolis, Kings, Region 6, South Shore, West Hants, and Region 7, Yarmouth, Digby. These regions have been established to not just protect the environment, but also to improve how we live as a society and maintain a healthy economy. Through the Provincial Waste Management Strategy, these regions utilize regulation in combination with public outreach, education, and engagement to waste less, recycle more, and reap significant environmental, economic, and social benefits. By essentially turning waste from an unpleasant byproduct of modern living into an exploitable resource, these regions' waste management approach is positioning Nova Scotia among world leaders in environmental stewardship. The Solid Waste Resource Management section is responsible for a number of initiatives, including recycling, composting, disposal, and the Nova Scotia Solid Waste Strategy. This strategy states that the government is committed to maintain a goal of 50% waste diversion and to reach a target for waste disposal of no more than 300 kilograms per person per year.
The target in Nova Scotia was to reduce waste by 50% by the year 2000. This is done by waste diversion, i.e. the waste will not all be sent to landfills. Diversions will come from recycling and composting and the promotion of waste reduction. To reduce waste going to landfills, government banned certain materials to be sent to the landfills. Beverage containers, corrugated cardboard, newsprint, lead, scrap tires, used oil, leaf and yard waste, waste paint, ethylene glycol, plastics, metal containers, compostable material, glass containers are all banned materials. These banned materials will either be recycled or composted. For example, dairy containers are recycled. Beverage containers are either recycled or the idea of refillable cups is introduced. Unused tires are crushed and shredded to be used as turf for sport fields. Unused paint is then recycled and reused to produce new, reusable paint. Electronic products are recycled according to their phases. Phase 1 is TV, computers and printers. Phase 2 consists of scanners, audio-video equipment, phones, wireless devices. Plastics is collected and then used to replace virgin petroleum in the manufacturing of new products, therefore saving energy and resources. Cardboard is recycled, by which old corrugated cardboard is taken and used to manufacture a liner board. By then they're used to manufacture boxes by maritime paper products. Compost is used for landscaping and soil amendments. Reusable bags are manufactured from salvaged materials such as old sails, industrial textiles. This reduces waste and the energy and as well as resource consumption. Compost from wood includes the idea of reprocessing wood waste disposed in landfills. This takes care of about 50,000 tons of wood waste each year. Compost is then sold for use in landscaping and organic agriculture.
The Otter Lake Waste Management Facility is one of the most sophisticated waste management facilities in the world. With all that technology comes a price. The Otter Lake facility charges $10 plus tax for all loads greater than 100 kilograms and $5 for all loads that are less than 100 kilograms. A variety of waste is not accepted at the Otter Lake facility. Each load is inspected and non-acceptable material is removed and sent to other waste management facilities. Materials such as recyclables, organics, and construction and demolition wastes are not accepted in the Otter Lake facility. The East Hants landfill serves the East Hants community commercial and residential waste management needs. This landfill accepts a wider variety of waste as it serves a smaller community. The cost for managing organic waste is $230 a ton. Sorted waste costs $220 a ton, and the price doubles if the load is unsorted. Same trend follows for sorted and unsorted recyclables, where the sorted recyclables cost $230 a ton, and the scavenged recyclables is double the price. Sorted construction waste is at $85 a ton if sorted and $115 a ton if unsorted. In the city of Calgary, the city sets the landfill tipping fees. Unlike Otter Lake, the facilities manage a variety of waste. However, the waste is differentiated by commercial and non-commercial waste. The basic non-commercial waste costs $113 a ton, as opposed to $220 a ton in East Hants. When it comes to commercial waste, the ton costs $180. However, the waste must be disposable. A surcharge is applied accordingly based on the amount of undisposable waste such as concrete and scrap metals present in the load, as they should not be in the landfill.